Welcome back! In this episode, we're going to start working with clips on the timeline and learn how to trim, cut, and build clean sequences, the foundation of all good editing. Let's begin by importing clips into our timeline. If you haven't added anything yet, go to the Media Library and click Import. Select the videos you want to work with and then drag them directly onto the timeline. When your clips appear on the timeline, you can click and drag them left or right to change their order. This helps you arrange the story or the sequence exactly how you want it to play. Now, let's learn trimming. Trimming helps you remove unwanted parts at the beginning or end of a clip. Select a clip, then drag the left or right edge inward until only the useful portion remains. Trimming is perfect for cutting out shaky starts, pauses, or unnecessary moments. Next, we have splitting. Splitting lets you cut the clip right in the middle. Move your playhead to the exact spot you want to cut. Then click Split or press Ctrl B on your keyboard. Your clip will break into two parts. You can delete the unwanted section, move it, or replace it. Now let's look at deleting. Whenever you split a clip and remove the part you don't need, you can simply select that section and press Delete. Next, let's learn the freeze frame tool. A freeze frame allows you to pause your video on a single frame and hold it for a few seconds. To do this, move the playhead to the exact frame you want to freeze, then click Freeze. CapCut will automatically create a still image on your timeline. Now let's look at cropping and rotating. Sometimes you need to remove unwanted edges from a clip or adjust its angle. Select your clip and open the crop tool. Drag the edges inward to keep only the part you want. This helps you clean up a shot or focus on the main subject. For rotation, use the rotate slider or buttons. You can tilt your clip left or right to straighten it or fix a slightly uneven shot. These small adjustments make your video look much cleaner. Next, let's look at two very simple tools, mirror and reverse. The mirror tool flips your clip horizontally. This is useful if your shot feels better when flipped or if you want the subject facing the other direction. Just select your clip and choose mirror to flip it instantly. The reverse tool plays your clip backwards. This can create fun effects like reversing a jump, a fall, or a movement. To use it, select your clip and click reverse. CapCut will process it and play the action from end to beginning. Both of these tools are quick, easy, and great for adding a creative touch to your edits. Finally, let's look at simple speed adjustments. Select your clip and choose the speed option. You can make your clip play faster or slower with just one slider. This is useful when a clip feels too long or when you want a moment to last a little longer. Great work today! You've learned all the essential tools for basic editing, trimming, splitting, deleting, moving clips, freeze framing, cropping, rotating, changing speed, and even using mirror and reverse. Take a few minutes to practice these tools on your own. The more you try them, the more natural editing will feel. That's it for this episode. Keep exploring, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.